Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Again, I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst, founder and chief mentor at stockpro. आज हम बात करेंगे, after a long time, FIIs have come back to the market, right? First green shoots have started appearing. Although market आज थोड़ा नीचे गया है, but doesn't mean market नीचे जाएगा. But what was so concerning for last 3 to 4 months was continuously FIIs were selling, right? Finally, FIIs are finding Indian market a little bit more acceptable or more valuable at this point of time, and they have started coming back to the Indian market. So I'm going to share some research work, some PPTs with you and explain you that how American fund managers have started buying. These are the 19 stocks they have invested recently, from last 2-3 days. And out of those 19, I have picked 2 or 3 for you where you can invest and make good money. Which is according to my technical setup, they look extremely good to me at this point of time. And that is what I have given. So let's go to the screen and have a look at it. But before that, I would like you people to follow me on various places. If you want, you can be on my Telegram channel where I'm super active every single day. You can follow me on Twitter, you can follow me on YouTube and watch all the technical analysis videos. Even you go back and see the research on the stocks that I have given, and आपको पता लगेगा कि कैसे stocks जो मैंने 50-60% return के लिए बोले थे, they are standing at 180% return. Even I can take you to my Twitter handle and show how the stocks have performed. Saregama I had given it 994. It has touched even, it crossed even, I think, 4,000. So that's the kind of accuracy with which I work. And I'm going to be talking about American market, like American fund manager, which is American investment advisor, the Vanguard Group, has bought 19 companies. And these 19 companies basically are Yes Bank, Angel One, which is Angel Broking, BSC, CAMS, Mastec, Century Plyboards, UTIAMC, Route Mobile. All these they have bought through the open market, right? So on March 17th, American investment advisor, the Vanguard Group, invested about 2,277 crores in these 19 companies. At the same time, a Singapore-based investment company, Integrated Core Strategies, sold in 8 companies and bought shares in 1 company. And they sold, the total net selling stood at 590 crores. Then, on the same day, FII data in the cash market was very strong as they continued buying in India for the second consecutive session. This was on 17th of March. Uske baad, Thursday again, net buying was 312 crores. And as per the bulk data deals on NSE, amongst them, the Vanguard Group bought a stake in some same 8 companies where Integrated Core Strategies were seller. That means Hong Kong FIIs sold and American companies have bought the same stocks. It's basically an exchange between 2 funds, right? So what are those stocks? Before I go on to that, let me just give you some more details. Angel 1K, like Vanguard Emerging Markets, have acquired 15,48,000 shares in Angel One, right, at the price of 1,607 rupees, right? However, Integrated Core Strategies Asia sold 5,92,000 shares in the same firm, right, as per the bulk deal data available on NSE. Then Vanguard Emerging Market Stock Index Fund A series purchased 8,103,085 equity shares in BSC Limited. And similarly, Singapore company sold about 2,58,000. So you can always see the bought companies, bought shares are way higher. If you notice, companies, the shares that have been bought are extremely, the number of values many times more, right? Whereas the shares that have been sold are way lesser. That means there has been a huge demand that has been created for these stocks. Vanguard Emerging Market Stock Index Fund bought 10,73,772 equity shares in Grindswell Norton. However, Integrated Core sold 5,88,352 equity shares in the same company. So you can see, American companies buying and Singapore companies selling, right? But the sold shares are way lesser, right? That means there is definitely buy has been initiated by the American companies, right? And similarly in GNFC, they have bought roughly about 30 lakh shares. If you have noticed, we have given a buy on GNFC a few days back, and it has just been blasting up from there. Similarly, they have also bought Yes Bank shares, right? They have bought about 36 crores, 98 lakhs, 73,766 shares. I don't know, somehow I'm not going to create my positions in Yes Bank, no matter who has bought how much quantity, until I find all parameters in sync. That means the technical data, the fundamental data, the institutional buying, all of them has to be on the same page. Like when I see the data absolutely in sync, then only I'm going to buy. So let's come down to what are these 19 stocks. So they start from Birla Jute Industry, Century Plyboard, Chemplast, Computer Age Management Services, KNR Construction, Krishna Institute of Medical Sciences, Nuvoco, Vistas Corporation, Route Mobile, Saregama, Vardhman, and VIP Industries. So all these 19 stocks I have got on my Telegram Trading View platform, and I have researched each one of them according to the price action. So the one which has given a breakout today is NIT Limited, right? You can still create position in this. Something that I want to explain to all the viewers. सब लोगों को मैं explain करना चाहती हूँ कि कब institutions ने इसमें अपनी positions बनानी शुरू की है. क्या आज बनानी शुरू की है position? इस दिन पे बनानी शुरू की है position? यहाँ पे position बनानी शुरू की है? No, it's not here. They started accumulating in this zone. ये पूरा का पूरा accumulation zone है. So they accumulated here, they accumulated here, they accumulated here, here. On each day they have accumulated, right? Price went horizontal and then price gave a breakout. Now is when the ordinary people know about it, right? Ordinary people do not know when the FIIs are accumulating, right? So what we have to do is find a stock at its bottommost price when the FIIs just start investing into those stocks, right? So this is accumulation zone. I have talked about in accumulation zone time and again. If you remember what is accumulation zone, please write it in the comment box. I'll be happy to hear from you people. What do you understand from the accumulation zone? So according to me, this was the accumulation zone, and now you can see a clear breakout, right? So you can still enter into NIT Limited if you want to enter. The next stock that looks very good from these 19 stock is Mastek, right? This is how Mastek looks. Where do we have an entry? We can buy above 3161, right? We do not have an entry before 3162 or 3165. After that, we can take an entry and we can keep accumulating on all lower levels, right? Then another stock that I find good is UTI AMC, right? UTI AMC also looks good, and we can definitely keep on accumulating. We're going to buy it above 1000. In case the stocks comes down, we can keep accumulating till about 900. Then the next stock that I felt was very good is Century Ply, right? This is Century Ply. This is a trade that you can even take tomorrow. 702 के ऊपर हमारी buying की opportunity है इसमें, और हम 600 तक इसमें अपनी accumulation कर सकते हैं. So प्लीज रिमेंबर कि अगर कहीं पे इंस्टीट्यूशंस एक्टिव हैं, राइट, कहीं पे इंस्टीट्यूशंस ने अपनी पोजीशंस खड़ी की है, they will ensure that the price doesn't fall massively, right? I have enlisted all these stocks here, and each of them I analyzed, and I found these 4 stocks pretty good for entry. One is NIT Tech, second is UTI AMC. I've given you the entry price also. Above 1000, we're going to buy in UTI AMC. In NIT Tech, in NIT Limited, we're going to buy today's high, which is 522. UTI AMC, we're going to buy above 1000. Century Ply, we will be buying above 702. And the next one that we have on our radar is Mastek. Mastek, we will take entry above 3165, right? So out of all of them, I have picked up out of the 19. So see how much filtration has been done. First, FIS did the filtration, right? They must have checked all the fundamentals. They must have checked all the details, right? The business prospect. And now I have done the technical analysis. So you are getting super filtered stocks, right? थोड़ा बहुत करेक्ट होते हैं तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है, थोड़ा लोअर लेवल पे एवरेजिंग कर सकते हो आप इसकी, राइट? What is important is to understand the mindset, you know what, and I have kept this list. अगर मुझे लगेगा कहीं और लोअर लेवल से बाइंग आ रही है, we probably will add these stocks and we will further, I'll keep on posting you and keep telling you where to take an entry in which stock, right? But out of them, if you remember, I have given Angel One and Saregama years back, like 1 year back. I have given Saregama at 900 rupees, right? At 900, I have 840 or so. I have given the buy, or maybe 900. It touched 5,000, right? Similarly, I've given a buy on Angel One, right? Angel One was one of my Diwali stock. I think last year it was not 2020, 2021, but in 2020 I've given this as a Diwali stock, and 961 was my buying price somewhere here, or maybe somewhere here. I don't remember where we bought it, and it made a high of 1700 as well, right? So these are BSC, Angel One, Saregama. These are all monopoly stocks, right? And this is what FIs have picked up, right? They have not picked up any random stuff. And probably Yes Bank, I don't know what could be the reason, but I'm not taking entry into that right now. So once again, guys, these 19 stocks where the institutions have entered, from those 19, I have picked up 5 stocks for you, and you can create small positions and keep accumulating at the lower levels and expect at least 50, 60, 70% return in next 6 to 8 months. That's it for today. Take care.